It's a common refrain for aviation industry manufacturers. Supply chain issues coupled with complex manufacturing processes mean long lead times and often delivery delays. And while this extended timeline isn't new, a recent report suggests that there's an emerging reason behind it that we haven't really seen before. CNBC says that increasingly luxurious first-class seats are holding up airplane deliveries. The big two in commercial airliners held earnings calls in late February, and both illustrated similar issues. Boeing CEO Kelly Ortberg said 787 Dreamliners at its South Carolina plant were sitting in wait of a seat certification process to be completed because of changes in cabinets and doors for business and first class. Ortberg called them pretty complex systems that were taking longer than expected. Experts say the changes likely allude to added extra inches in areas where airlines can demand much higher ticket prices. And it's not just a Boeing problem. Airbus, the European company with the other half of the commercial plane duopoly, is having similar issues. CEO Guillaume Faury told analysts that delays in seats and monuments like closets and galleys were delaying the time at which the company can deliver a plane fully completed. According to CNBC, a business class seat can have about 1,500 parts. Newest models often feature seats that recline into beds or even feature their own door. And customers are increasingly demanding even more comforts, including extra space. And if you're wondering whether it's all worth it, take this for evidence. Delta Airlines said that of its last year's sales, just 43% came from the main cabin. The remaining 50% of its revenue was derived from premium seat buyers and its loyalty program. I'm Anna Wells, and this is Manufacturing Now.